a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by BeautyForever Hair. Shout out to you, BeautyForever, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their Water Wave 13x4 lace wig. It's 22 inches long and it's 150% density. So those are the details and specs of the one that I am personally wearing, but let me give you the details and specs of the unit in general. So they have on their site BeautyForever pre-plucked lace front water wave 150% density human hair wig. And this unit does come in a 13x4 lace, but it also comes in a 13x6 lace. The density of this wig is 150% density. They do have it available in 10 inches to 24 inches. All of those are even numbers, so just keep that in mind. Be mindful of that. And let me see, can I find some product details? So they have on here brand BeautyForever, hair color, natural color. The length is 10 to 24. The wig style is lace front, hand woven. The cap size is average, 21.5 to 22 inches. So do with that what you want to, girl. Okay, the cap construction is lace front wig. The features are slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked natural hairline, glueless baby hair around the perimeter. It says machine double weft. The texture is water wave as stated. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this unit on their site. Now, the details that I have as far as shedding and tangling with this wig is super lightweight. Like, that's one of my favorite things about water wave units, is they feel really light. Like, that's how I differentiate between the water wave and just wavy sort of units. It has a very light, airy sort of feel to it. And as far as shedding, like, I am getting a strand like here and there. I'm not sure if that's from me cutting around my ears, because you guys know I always tell you I have very large ears, and I end up having to cut the lace up pretty high for it to fit like I need it to fit. And sometimes I do end up cutting the hair because I don't remember getting any shedding straight out of the packaging, but I could be wrong. So I do want to mention that it does shed some, just so you know, and you can be mindful of that. Now, as far as the hairline, like, y'all, my cap started lifting. I did do the ball cap method, and I know you can see it right here. Like, it started lifting. It started lifting, and you can really see it if you like really just looking. But the unit did come pre-tweezed. Like, I didn't do anything extra to the wig. You can if you want to. If it's a certain look that you're going for, you can definitely tweeze it more. But I just left it as is, just so you guys can really see that if you don't know how to tweeze, you can still wear old girl as is. So just, you know, keep that in mind. Do with that also what you want to do with it, girl. Now, as far as tangling, it literally does not tangle whatsoever. And if you're looking for a sleeker, more wet look, you can also wet this unit and apply mousse and all of that. I feel like it looks good just as is, but you know, honey, as I always tell you guys, honey, it's your wig, girl. You do what you want to your wig. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I didn't adjust these straps whatsoever. Now, I do think if you have a regular size, a big head, like maybe you a little bit over 22 inches, you know what I'm saying, you can still make it work. So be mindful of that as well. And yeah, that is basically it as far as all the details and specs. Now, honey, if you are interested in a full 360, how I feel about this unit as well as a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. I am definitely feeling this wig. I think this wig is really nice. I love a good water wave wig, like for the reasons I gave earlier. They're really lightweight. They have the waves, but they're not heavy. Sometimes the wavier units can be a little more heavy, but these are really lightweight. They just have a really airy sort of feel to it. I also love that this particular unit did come pre-tweezed and all of that good stuff. The only thing that I did to the wig was I did apply my Eben or Eben or child, whoever she is. I did apply this tinted lace spray underneath, and I did cut the baby hairs, and I did tweeze the baby hairs a little bit just so they wouldn't be super thick, honey. Even though they still thick, honey, she's thicker than a snooker. You know what I be saying? She's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, okay? But they're not as thick as they were when I first got the unit, like first pulled it out of the packaging. So you do what you want to with your unit. It's your wig. You style it how you want to, honey. If you love baby hairs, girl, slay them baby hairs. If you don't, then don't use them. It's literally that simple. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it is an entire look. It's an entire vibe. The hair is definitely more so low maintenance than the average wavy unit, in my personal opinion. So that is another like plus for me, because you know your girl lazy. If you know me, you know your girl lazy. I ain't trying to spend 8 years on my unit every morning. I'm just not. She ain't. Okay, she ain't. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe. Let me know down below what you think down below in the comments, honey. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I'm feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe. Oh, child, let me give you a lint check. I ain't give you nobody's lint check. Hold on. Okay, so as I stated, it's a look, it's a vibe. It is all of the things to me. I love this unit. I would recommend this unit. So definitely check it out. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Hell to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.